Hello guys, today I want to do the unboxing of my KORS bag, which is box came from here from my KORS side, and it's big box, but bag isn't so big. And let's open it. And its bag right now is on sale, and the model is called KORS Brooklyn large leather satchel in color pale gold. So let's open it. Wow, big box. And it came with such things like this, and wow, here is the bag. Let's take it off. So here is the return package, and then next is only this KORS receipt, and here is the bag. So it's coming some packaging like this, but it doesn't says KORS. And bag look like this. So it's in color pale gold. Here it says KORS, and here is some paper, and here actually there's more paper in this dust bag. That tells me that the bag was already opened by someone and they took out this stuff. And I prefer when bags came like packaged, but this was already on, as you can see, was even not packaged. And I got it on sale, so maybe it was returned, or maybe it was from the display, I don't know. Oh, so I see that it has some stain here. Look. So I don't know if it was used or not. But when it comes to bag, so the bag looks like this. It has two handles like here. And it also has here two things like this, and it comes with belt that was unboxed too. And here it is. It has like this, and here you can regulate it. Strap. Here on the side it says KORS, and this is also kind of big, but doesn't say anywhere KORS. And bag, it's KORS Brooklyn. Originally it was 500, but I got it much less than that. And it also inside looks like this. So it has big space without middle compartment, but it has a zipper pocket right here and two slip pockets, and here it has 3 slip pockets, and then also some pockets here. And also it comes with key ring here. You cannot touch ring, I mean key. You cannot touch key, and actually, yeah, so it's convenient, and you can close this bag by attaching this stuff together. But attach this part together. You can snap this, or you can attach this together. And then it looks like this. Then back is looking much smaller. So then it looks like this. And it also has this thing, which is really nice, but it kind of gives some heaviness to the bag. And it has a micro KORS sign, and each piece has small, like this thing, and the bottom, how it's called, I don't know. So yeah, try it on how it looks on me. I show you right here. So on me it looks like this. This belt was a little bit like sliding down. And this is how it looks when it's not cinched, like when it's like this. It's not collapsing. Weird. Looking a little weird. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks like, and it also has 4 feet, like here. I mean 5 actually. It has 5 feet, and it's made of leather too. But they are already scratched a little bit. Seems like it was displayed or someone used it, I don't know. That's why I'm not so happy that it's not super pristine condition, but it was on sale. Maybe I will write them email and ask. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like unboxings and like my KORS bags, then keep watching, as I also got other micro KORS bag and will do unboxing here. So hope you enjoy, and see you. Give thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.